Thanks for checking out our channel. This is just going to be a little show and tell video of an old style fence charger. This is basically a 50 mile Zareba is what this is, but this is like mid 90s version. This was low impedance. It's not solid state unit, but here's a little information about us. There are links down in the description of the video that will take you to our websites, fencerfixer.com, and we also work on cattle scales and low bars for weighing livestock animals of all sorts. We work on mostly Gallagher and True Test, but so if you know an FFA or a 4-H program that that weigh pigs and hogs for their county fair or whatever, and they got a set of scales that aren't working, if you know something like that, tell them about us. Be happy to help them out. Or if you're a feed store that sells these things and needs a place to work on them, we'll be happy to help you out with working on things. We work on all brands and ages, even the old stuff that nobody else will really want to touch. We'll take a look at it and get you going, hopefully. We do 18-month warranties as well on all the repairs we do. And this thing's like 25, 28 years old, whatever it is, old unit, but got it going again. It had two things wrong with it. It had the capacitor in there was just wore out just from age, and replaced it, got the unit clicking and pulsing again, but no output. We had like 1.2 kV. So we took a transformer, not the new Zareba transformers because they're kind of garbage, but the transformer for another brand and model that will fit right inside there, and hardwired in there. And we also put a big resistor across the transformer on the inside to keep the voltage down low, because that transformer wide open circuit is like 14,000 volts, 13,000 volts, and it just sounds like good. Oh man, 13,000 volts, that's awesome. Yeah, it's good, but you'll burn through insulators, you'll arc through to a T-post, it'll cause all kinds of problems. Especially if you use the cheap yellow insulators, you'll have all sorts of trouble. It'll find problems you didn't even know you had. So we put a big resistor. I don't remember what size. I got a stack of them here, so I just put them in there as we use those transformers, and it brings it down to around 9.5 kV, so right where you want it to be. We'll turn it on here. It's hard to see the light. Turn the light off. There it goes. Clicking right along. Put a screwdriver across there. And it still has the original board from 1990 whatever. And it is old school, but it works great. Hits like a mule. Let me put a fence tester across there. It's my analog one. I'm doing this one-handed because we still haven't gotten a new clamp yet mount to hold my phone overhead. Come on, get on there. So I'm doing this one-handed right now. But these little quick things like this is not too hard to do one-handed. Hold on. Wires are wrapped around a power cord. So we're just about 10,000 volts. Clicking right along. Well, that's basically it. So if you got any old fence charger laying around, just because you call up a dealer or manufacturer or distributor or whoever, and say, or another repair place maybe. So, oh yeah, we'll try to fix that for you. And I need a transformer for a Hol-Dem model 502 SLI. What? What? A transformer? No, we don't make transformers for that thing anymore. You got to throw it away and buy a new one. Well, don't throw it away. It can be fixed. Look, we fixed it. So, and we get a 1.5 year warranty on it. I think a brand new one of these only comes with a 1 year warranty, maybe 2. So we fixed it cheaper than a new one, and gave them a 1.5 year warranty on it. So there you go. So tell your friends about us. Be happy to help you out on repairs and parts and stuff. On some models, we can help with parts. But if you'd like to send us something for repair, we'll be happy to take a look at it for you. And tell your friends about us. Share this video to your friends, Facebook page, whatever. And hit us up. Until next time, we'll see you guys later on.